My name's James and I play the head of Oona. Oona is an Indonesian elephant that gets found on the beach in our story.
No, we're gonna just go. It's funny.
Today we've been taken over to the gardens, just around the corner from the theatre, and meeting some young people from local schools. I think after a while you see Oona as the elephant and not just the four puppeteers that are inside, and that's part of the charm of what we do. Well, you know, Oona is a wild animal, so it's nice to take her out into the wild and scare a few people.
It was amazing actually. We were just a bit further over in the park and thought it looked like a real elephant actually. So they were very keen to come over and see it.